Got a story here from one of my friends, actually, over at Forbes, Gordon Kelly.
Oh.
You didn't know I have friends over there.
Yeah, I did. You told me.
Yeah, that's right. So well, to be honest, he covers similar stuff. He's always talking about Apple, upcoming products, and leaks and rumors also seems to be an area of interest for him. He's got a new article here. Apple's radical new iPhone suddenly takes shape. Now you see how they come with the headline. Apple's radical new iPhone suddenly takes shape. You see how they do that, Will?
They rope you in.
I've been roped.
Yeah.
And now I'm in. So basically, there's some renders that have emerged already about the potential next iPhone, in which some of the rumors that existed for the current iPhone, finally come to fruition in this next render, the next version. The thing that people seem to want, the thing that continues to come up, is this return to form with the block style design.
Industrial.
Yeah, the kind of boxy edge, similar to what was there on the iPhone 5, 4, and so on. SE. Mm-hmm. I think a lot of people were a fan of that particular style. And it gave you nice confidence in the hand. That's what reviewers say, Will.
Yes, they do.
They say, feels good in the hand. Like smartphone technology reviewers say that. iPhone 4 feels good in the hand. Which is obviously is kind of funny because where else would you feel it?
Yeah.
Other than in the hand.
Yeah. I guess compared to other phones.
No. Feels good in the hand.
Yes.
So, anyway, this new one probably, if it looks like this, it might feel good in the hand as well. Mm-hmm. And the thing that strikes you immediately when you look at this render, by the way, the render from phonearena.com, reposted by Gordon Kelly on Forbes. 4 cameras on the back. Look at that thing. That's a camera monster. Otherwise, very square-ish. On the back side, looking a lot like the current version. Then on the front side, you notice a notch that has shrunk a little bit. The edges of it changed ever so slightly as well, but still there. Still in place, as it probably will be for the foreseeable future, because it seems that this under-display technology that could potentially have a similar functionality to the advanced face unlock that Face ID uses, that just hasn't emerged yet. So we're probably going to live with the notch a little longer. You know, I've been using the Pixel 4 XL. It's just they didn't even try with the notch. They were like, we got all this tech up there, put the giant forehead. Mm-hmm. So when it comes to getting these more advanced face unlocks, we just live with the reality that we're not going to have this bezel-less idea. Now, apparently, this some other leaked information seems to point to the fact that there will be a return of Touch ID as well for this next generation of iPhone, possibly in display, presumably in display, though Apple has been reluctant to do this up until this point, even though we've seen it on so many other brands of smartphones, though not without issue. Mm-hmm. As we talked about here on the show, Samsung, they had their very own issues.
Yeah, ultrasonic display.
With the in-display.
Yeah.
But we saw it on a OnePlus device. We've seen it on many devices at this point. So I think it would make sense for Apple to at least take a look at it. The other big thing, next generation, possibly 5G, big 5G talk, and ProMotion, because that's all the rage right now, Will. 90 hertz phones. Heard about them? Mm-hmm. Quick, snappy.
Yeah.
Gives you a nice feeling. So ProMotion could happen for the iPhone. It does already exist on the iPad Pro. So that would make a lot of sense. These are all big marketing headlines that you could go out and sell another phone with. And then the last one, which to me is a long time coming and will be a very welcome addition, is USB Type-C.
Oh,
So let's throw that in there.
yeah.
Because
that's
we just got a wish list right now.
Yeah.
Gordon Kelly got a wish list. Phone Arena got a wish list. I got a wish list. And you only care about if it feels good in the hand.
Well, yeah. Like my favorite phone was the iPhone 4.
Why
when
is
it
that?
Came out.
Why is that?
The look, the industrial look.
Any other reason?
Bengate
That wasn't that wasn't that iPhone.
or antenna gate.
Antenna Gate, iPhone
Yeah.
4. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but
No,
I
no,
meant is there any other reason?
I can't think of any. No.
So you don't want to talk about how it felt then?
Well, yeah. I mean, it looked great. I mean, it
No,
felt
I'm
good.
more curious about
you
how
know.
it felt and where you felt it.
I mean, we don't have to talk about that.
Did it feel good in the hand, Will?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
It looked great. It felt great in the hand.
In the hand. So stupid. What are we doing? Anyway, yeah. So these renders are at least cool to look at. You can imagine a return to this industrial form. I think it would be a welcome thing for a lot of people. Certainly, those other specifications that I mentioned, I think a lot of people would want. Who doesn't want the ProMotion? Who doesn't want the Type-C? I don't even think anybody's trying to defend the Lightning connector at this point.
No.
So let's just move along. Let's get this going. Plus, like I said, the ProMotion and the Type-C, it's already on the iPad.
Mm-hmm.
And the iPad has the blocky edge, the rectangular industrial aspect. So they're not really actually cohesive at the moment,
No.
the two products. And in a weird way, the iPad almost feels more futuristic than the iPhone, which is strange because the iPad sat at that one kind of look for a really long time up until these recent Pros. But anyhow, it could add the fourth camera as well, though I'm not so certain on that one. I can't imagine that degree of overhaul within a singular generation. So it's probably a triple camera setup still. But anyhow, you can look at the render and get some positive feelings. I don't know.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. Look at some renders. Have a nice day.
It does look nice though. With
See?
the symmetry.
There you go. Symmetry.
Mhm.
Okay.